Exercise 5 deals with the differential analysis, and that is a machine replacement decision. We're going to prepare a differential analysis dated October 3rd, 2012. If the amount is 0, we're going to enter 0. The company is considering replacing an old piece of machinery which costs $601,300 and has $351,700 of accumulated depreciation, with a new machine that costs $483,300. The old equipment can be sold for $61,300. The annual variable production cost associated with the old machine is estimated to be $155,300 per year for 8 years. The annual variable production cost for the new machine is estimated to be $101,500 per year. So it's going to decrease significantly each year. So we can start to consider these changes. They've given us a table to use. If we sell the old equipment, we're going to sell it for $61,300. Incidentally, as a note, we're going to ignore what the original cost was and the accumulated depreciation, because we're going to consider that a sunk cost, which is a cost we already have, and also to make it a little bit easier, we are not going to be calculating the tax effect on any gains or losses. So we have sales proceeds of $61,500. We're going to purchase the new machine for $483,300. And our variable costs over the 8-year period are going to be estimated to be $108,500, which is $108,500 per year. That's $812,000. Nice round number. I love that kind of stuff. And we can see now that the proceeds from the sale of the machine, the purchase of the new one, the variable costs for the 8 years, we would have. Does it give us our revenues? No, it doesn't. Okay. So as far as production, never mind. So if we take the $61,300 under the replacement of the old machine, oh, I'm sorry, I've got that in the wrong column. That should be a 0 there. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm in the wrong column, aren't I? Okay, I'm going to move things over here. Sorry, everybody. So 483,300 and 812,000. Okay. So under continuing with the old machine, we would have 0 sales price. We had 61,300, and our differential effect in income would be 61,300. Our purchase price under continuing with the old one would be 0. We would have a purchase price under Plan B here of $483,300. So we're going to have purchase price of $483,300. And my variable cost under the old machine was $155,300, right? $155,300 times 8 for 8 years. So I get, it looks like $1,242,400. So my total costs under the old plan, continuing with the old machine, is $1,242,400. My costs under the new plan, I'm going to take the revenue and subtract the expenses associated with it. So we'll do that, $61,300, and I'm going to subtract $483,300, I'll also subtract 812,000. That looks like 799,000 as a loss, so I'm going to put a minus sign there. I need a minus sign over here too. And the difference in the variable production cost for the 8 years, I'll take the 1,242,400 minus the 812,000, and the variable cost over the 8 years will reduce by 430,400, and I can find my difference in the overall consideration. Should be $61,300 minus the cost of the new equipment, $483,300, and I'm going to add the savings of $430,400 with the new machine, and that looks like 84,000 or something like that. My calculator died on me. $400 and yeah,